Welcome to the Deep Dive with Farmtips Diary. Today we are exploring how AI-powered weather forecasting is revolutionizing farming, protecting fields from unexpected storms, conserving precious resources, and ensuring that every planting, irrigation, and harvesting decision is rooted in accurate real-time insights. For centuries, farmers have relied on intuition, observation of the skies, and traditional forecasts to guide their daily choices. While this wisdom has stood the test of time, it is now meeting a powerful partner in technology. Artificial intelligence, with its ability to process vast amounts of weather, climate, and soil data, is unlocking a new frontier where farmers can not only prepare for storms, but also prevent devastating losses before they happen. To understand why AI is such a game changer, let us begin by looking at the shortcomings of traditional weather forecasting. Conventional models often rely on data from regional stations, satellites, and broad climatic assumptions. While these are useful, they are not always precise for the farmer standing in a specific field. For example, a forecast that predicts rain in a district might not reflect whether a small village within that district will actually see rainfall. This lack of hyperlocal accuracy has often left farmers frustrated, leading to mismatched planting schedules, wasted irrigation, or even total crop failure. Artificial intelligence changes this equation. Instead of offering broad predictions, AI systems digest enormous amounts of information from satellites, local sensors, drones, and historical climate records to provide hyperlocal forecasts. This means farmers can receive insights that are specific not just to their region, but to their exact field, down to a resolution of a few kilometers or even meters. The benefits of such precision are immense. Imagine being able to schedule irrigation with confidence because you know rainfall is likely within the next 24 hours. Instead of wasting water, you conserve it. Or consider knowing that a dry spell is predicted weeks in advance. You could switch to drought-resistant crops, adjust your fertilizer application, or time your harvests to avoid heat damage. These are not distant dreams, they are realities made possible by AI-powered forecasting. One of the most remarkable strengths of AI is pattern recognition, where a human forecaster or even a traditional system may overlook small anomalies. AI identifies connections across datasets. For example, AI can correlate unusual cloud formation, soil moisture levels, and wind speeds to predict localized storms before conventional models detect them. In doing so, it gives farmers critical hours or days to act, protecting crops, livestock, and equipment. Hyperlocal forecasting does not only prevent losses, it actively boosts productivity. A farmer with access to accurate predictions can stagger planting across multiple plots, ensuring that each field receives the optimal start. Irrigation schedules can be tuned to the exact moisture needs of the soil. Fertilizer application can be timed when rain is unlikely, preventing nutrient runoff. These small but precise decisions accumulate into higher yields, healthier crops, and lower input costs. Water conservation is one of the most pressing challenges in agriculture today. Many regions already face scarcity, and inefficient irrigation only makes matters worse. With AI, farmers can align irrigation with precise forecasts, watering fields only when necessary. Some advanced systems even integrate with smart irrigation pumps that turn on or off automatically based on weather predictions. This not only saves water but also reduces electricity costs and labor effort, creating a more sustainable farm operation. The role of AI in predicting extreme events like storms, droughts, or floods cannot be overstated. Consider the case of sudden monsoons in South Asia. For generations, farmers have been at the mercy of these unpredictable rains, often losing entire harvests. Today, with AI-driven warnings, communities are receiving alerts days earlier than before, giving them the chance to harvest early, reinforce irrigation channels, or move livestock to safer ground. Similarly, in drought-prone regions of Africa, AI tools are helping farmers plan for dry spells by recommending planting schedules that align with expected rainfall windows. These proactive measures are no longer about reacting to weather but anticipating it, giving farmers the power to manage risk rather than suffer from it. Let us consider real-world examples. In India, startups are providing smallholder farmers with AI-driven apps that deliver village-level forecasts directly to their smartphones. Farmers use this data to adjust planting dates and irrigation, leading to yield improvements of up to 20%. In the United States, large-scale farms are adopting AI models that integrate with machinery. Tractors and harvesters now work in sync with hyperlocal weather forecasts, ensuring operations are carried out during optimal weather windows, saving both time and fuel. Even small farms in Europe are adopting AI weather solutions. Some vineyards in France, for example, rely on AI models that predict frost events, This allows farmers to deploy protective measures, such as heaters or irrigation, on the exact nights when frost risk is highest, protecting grape quality and ensuring successful harvests. Another critical benefit of AI forecasting is reducing waste. Crops lost to unpredictable weather often rot in the field or during transport, contributing to both financial loss and food insecurity. By accurately predicting weather, farmers can better plan harvest and distribution schedules, ensuring that food reaches markets fresh and on time. This is particularly valuable for perishable produce like fruits, vegetables, and dairy, where timing is everything. Skeptics may ask, can small-scale farmers afford AI forecasting tools? The good news is that many solutions are becoming increasingly affordable and accessible. Smartphone apps, SMS alerts, and partnerships with agricultural cooperatives are ensuring that even farmers with limited resources can benefit from AI-driven insights. Some governments and NGOs are also subsidizing these technologies, recognizing their potential to strengthen food security at national and global levels. Still, challenges remain. AI models depend on reliable data, which means regions without sufficient weather stations or satellite coverage may struggle. There are also concerns about digital literacy, as not every farmer is comfortable using apps or interpreting AI predictions. However, ongoing training programs, community workshops, and user-friendly platforms are steadily bridging this gap. Looking forward, the role of AI in weather forecasting will only grow. As climate change increases the frequency and severity of extreme events, the ability to anticipate these risks will become essential for farm survival. AI tools will likely integrate even further with other smart farming technologies, such as drones, soil sensors, and autonomous tractors, creating a connected ecosystem where every decision is data. We must also recognize the broader implications. Smarter forecasting does not only protect farms, it strengthens global food security. Every time a farmer prevents crop loss, conserves water, or times harvests effectively, they contribute to a more resilient food system that benefits all of us. In this sense, AI weather forecasting is not just a farm tool. It is a cornerstone of future-ready agriculture. As we move toward the conclusion of this deep dive, let us distill the practical takeaways. First, AI forecasts are more accurate than traditional models because they analyze massive datasets and identify subtle patterns. Second, hyperlocal predictions allow farmers to make field-specific decisions that conserve resources and improve yields. Third, early warnings of storms, droughts, and floods give farmers time to act, reducing devastating losses. Fourth, affordable and accessible tools are increasingly available, ensuring that even small-scale farmers can benefit from this technology. And finally, AI forecasting is not only about individual farms, but also about building resilient food systems capable of feeding a growing global population in an era of climate uncertainty. For farmers listening today, the question is no longer whether AI forecasting will matter, but how soon you can integrate it into your operations. Start with apps tailored to your region, connect with cooperatives offering weather alerts, and consider adopting smart irrigation tools that align with forecasts. Small steps today can lead to significant gains tomorrow. If you found this exploration insightful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Farmtips Diary, and do not forget to click on the notification bell so you never miss another deep dive. We bring you strategies, stories, and tools that help farmers thrive in a changing world. We hope this exploration has been valuable. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. See you again on our next deep dive.